Well, we will see how to run addition of two numbers in this C programming. So here it is telling enter first number, enter second number. So we got this answer. So what this indicates, so if you want to run C program on mobile, so these lines, few lines are already written, like hash include std main, this and print hello. So these lines are already written in this app, that is because we are practicing using mobile. So we will see. So here few lines are already written. So we will see, that is first line. See here, this is a main program where every C program starts with the main, that is execution starts with the main. It should have curly bracket opening, curly bracket closing, and this, if you want which header file is required, that you have to include. That is, here we had included stdio.io.h. So we'll see what is the use, how variables are declared, and how printf scanf are used. See, printf and scanf are input output function which are defined in stdio.io.h. Okay, so it is declared in stdio.io.h, printf and scanf, and we had declared two variables a and b. You can give any name. Int is a data type of a, b and sum, and then we had done in and printing by printf statement. So how to take? So first we'll run and see, then I'll explain you more lines. So we'll execute this. So here it is telling enter first number. So I'm entering as 10, next number as 20. So answer is 30. So we got here answer as 30. So first number 10, 20, result you got 30. So we will see, press escape to come out of this screen. So here what we had declared here, we had declared two variable and we had declared a, b and sum. Sum is a variable where your result will be stored. Int is a data type. So this hello was previously only written in this app, mobile app. So printf is a function where you can write the messages in this for user what you want. Every C program should terminate that basic. I'll make another video, so you can go for another video. So we'll not go into much. Every line should terminate with semicolon in C program. C program is C case sensitive. So printf enter first number. So this line. Then scanf is used for input. Printf is used for output. That is what you want to do. Scanf is used to read the data. Ampersand is the address of that is the name of the variable where you want to accept the data from the user. Like we had entered 10. Okay, in this variable a and %d is the type specifier. It tells that what type of data you will be entering. So there are many type of specifier. Type specifier means which type of, like number or character, what type of data you are going to enter. So you have to specify the type of that specifier for that variable. That is the data type specifier, you can say. Then next line we had written printf. After that we had written printf enter second number, and then again scanf %d ampersand d, and this double slash. This basic I'll explain you in another video more about this. Then here a and b. So here you have to remember, in scanf you have to use ampersand sign to get the data from the user, A and B are the variable. So here A plus B, whatever value 10 and 20 we had entered, it will be get stored in sum, and then printf is used to print the output with a message. So sum is sum. Here you don't have to use ampersand sign. So here sum. So what is the data type of sum? Int. So here you have to use percentage specifier. So again we'll see, and one more thing you have to remember, every C program is saved. See, because this is mobile app, here auto it is saved. So but still I'll show you, every C file should be saved with the extension .c here. So I'll give any name. You have to give file name, and extension should be compulsory .c. So I'll write name as add, and .c is already written, so just make it okay. So the program name I had given .c. So the program is auto saved, and when I'll run, this program is compiled before that, means convert source code and object code, and then if it is right, then it will run, otherwise it will give you error. Now here first line, that is hello world, because I had not removed that line, so here it is telling enter first number. Okay, so I'll enter here number, that is any number, suppose let's see 12, enter. Next number I'll enter as, let's take 13, or you can say 14, enter. So answer is 26. So we got this answer. Hope you understood. More details I'll explain about this program, that is a basic structure. So I'll make more video on this. So hope you understood. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.